I'm a gamer and a geek, so when I saw Battlefield 6 ask me to start in secure boot mode, I saw my calling, because I'm here to tell you how that all works. If you're trying to enable secure boot mode, there's a few things you need to know. First off, your disk needs to be formatted correctly. If it's not formatted correctly, nothing's going to work. What you need to do is go down into your search bar. I'm assuming you're running on Windows, because why? What else would you be doing? Hit CMD, type CMD. That's going to open the command prompt. From the command prompt, all you need to do is type disk, D-I-S-K-P-A-R-T, one word, hit yes, because if you hit no, things don't work. Now you're in this disk partition mode. All you want to do is type list disk, and this is going to just give you this little output right here. What you're looking at is GPT, this far right column for me. You should just see a little asterisk there. If it says disk 0 GPT asterisk, that means that, well, you're good to go. If it doesn't say that, if that asterisk isn't there, you can go about formatting your disk, but I'd be very careful about doing this because things can go wrong, and if they do, it's really going to suck. You could lose all your data. Is it really worth it? You decide. Now, let's play some Battlefield 6 footage so you know what you're missing, and we're going to get into what you need to do now. So what you're going to be needing to do now is going into your BIOS. Your BIOS is basically this mythical thing that sets everything in your computer. Back in the day, you could change it. You could do all sorts of cool things. You could put images up. Right now, nobody really cares about it because nobody cares about computers. What I've got is an HP Omen gaming laptop. If you've got a laptop, a desktop, a pre-built, just look up the model and how to get into the BIOS on Google. If you have something that's home built, if you built your PC yourself, congrats, that's pretty cool. Also, you're going to need to look up the motherboard and figure out how to get into the BIOS for that specific motherboard. It'll work for pre-builds too, but a lot of you are probably not really in the know as far as your motherboard goes, so just look up how to do it for your computer. Anyways, it's going to tell you how to get into your BIOS. Now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer and just start smashing whatever button you got to hit. In my case, with that HP Omen gaming laptop, it was escape. For some people, it's going to be F11, F10, F2. Anyways, I hit escape, it took me into this menu, then I hit F10, that took me into the BIOS, B-I-O-S, for those of you wondering. That's what you're trying to get into. Once you get into there, you're either going to go into your security or your boot options. For me, it was in the boot options. There you're going to see a secure boot sort of check mark, or toggle. You toggle that on, and now you can boot in secure boot mode, which means Battlefield 6 can see if you're cheating or not, and if you're not cheating, it's going to let you play the game. And if you are cheating, you suck. Until next time, peace.